Hello YouTube, I have my Extreme Tools toolbox here. I paid $2,500 for it. It is 72 inches long, 25 inches deep, and 38 inches high. It has 3 big casters on the bottom, where I keep all my lights, and then a sturdy handle there. First drawer is my socket drawer. I got all my 1/2 inch here. Impact grade sockets, 1/2 inch. I have my 3/8 impact grade, my 1/4, and then my standard 3/8 impact, and then some more 1/2 inch grade or impact grade. Here's my breaker bars and my quick off ratchets, and my 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And I got some extra 1/2 inch impact grade, and then I got all my extensions over here. Some dog bone wrenches that I never use, but $20 is $20. I have my standard wrench drawer. I have my set I use every day, and then I have my extras, my duplicates, and then I have my double open end wrenches here, and some ratcheting wrenches here. This is my metric. Pretty sad. A lot of empty space that I need to fill in my open end, and then the 2 enclosed ends, and then my duplicates over here. Here's my junk drawer, just odds and ends, pencils, papers, magnets, all that other good stuff. And here's my 1/2 inch standard impact grade sockets that I didn't have enough rails to put it on there. Here's all my nuts and bolts for my project, and some trading oil. Here are my hammers, a couple snap-on, chisel, some dead blows, and 3-pound sledge, and cheater bar, and this little guy. Here's my wrench drawer. I have my everything in here. Some pipe wrenches and some filter wrenches. These Nipex are a lifesaver. I love them. They cut through anything. Anything. And then here's all my battery powered stuff and my air impacts. Here's all my receipts and pay slips and keys and brochures and stuff like that. My Allen wrenches, my breaker bar, and my tape measure. Here's all my flathead screwdrivers. And then here's my Phillips. And then these are my specialties, your ratcheting ones and all that other good stuff. Then here's my Milwaukee electrician set. And then I have some bits in here. And then I have a ratcheting screwdriver in there. And then I have some 1/4 inch drive stuff. And then some drill bits, and then some more drill bits. And then I just have some extra 1/2 inch sockets in there, kind of my typical toolbox. And then I have drill bits in here. Nothing fancy. Don't use them a lot. Alright, thanks for watching my toolbox. Oh, one more thing. I tried, there's these big double drawers, and they were both at the bottom, and I wanted to put them up here because, so I could get my hammers and stuff, but this one, since these two were up here, this one won't latch, and so so you can't switch the drawers around. So if you do buy one of these, I would customize it to what you want, because you can't switch the drawers around after the fact. So just a little point. Otherwise, a good toolbox. For a starter box, it's my starter box. So after this, I'll probably upgrade to a Snap-on or a Matco or something like that. But thanks for watching. Click that like button, that subscribe button, comment. If you have any questions, I can answer them. If you do buy one of these, I would probably go, if you want the cheapest, go to Amazon, because I think they're about $2,000 on there. So good solid box, big box. I need to fill it more, but stay tuned. I'll be doing some tool reviews on some new tools I get, and yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching.